Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be That Diva, and today's video is going to be about my honest reviews on Shein outfits. So I bought a lot of outfits from Shein and I have picked a few outfits out of them, and I'm going to wear them one by one and review about their quality and everything about the outfit, so that you can shop smartly and don't end up buying something which is not really good. Before we jump into the video, if you like the video, don't forget to like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I really like this bodycon dress from Shein. It fits perfectly to my body. The fabric is really good and stretchable. Such dresses are really versatile as you can wear it in many ways. I wore this dress as a skirt and also paired it with a blazer to change the look. So I'm happy with the fabric, fitting and the style of the dress. So it's a smart buy as per the price. This dress is such a head turner and it is one of my favorites. I wore this dress many times for my events and meet and greet. The fabric of this dress is really nice and it fits perfectly to my body. This dress is perfect for any event or party. Also, I really like the style of this dress as it gives me a slimmer and taller look. So this is definitely worth the price. I really love this one shoulder dress and the fabric of this dress is really soft. It's true to size. The color of this dress is rich and it is perfect for an evening party. This gives the perfect curvy look and the pleats in this dress makes it more beautiful. How cool is this dress? I really love the neon belt paired with this one shoulder dress. Neon is in trend and this belt is making the statement here. The only thing is you can't wear this dress during the summers for a long time, as the fabric is not that great for summers. I paired this outfit with white shoes to skyrocket the charm of this dress. Then I bought this satin jumpsuit. The fabric of this jumpsuit is really nice. Satin of course gives a rich and classy look. The color is exactly what is shown on the website. To add the charm to this jumpsuit, I also pair this with a belt which again looks really classy. This outfit is perfect if you want to attend an event and look classy and stand out of the crowd. This is such a cute little play suit. I really love the design of this dress. There is a belt attached to it which you can customize according to you. Fabric is great. The only thing is that it's a bit loose from the top, so you can wear a padded tube inner or stitch it a little bit from the sides. Otherwise, it's a nice dress. Then I bought a few tops also. I bought this sequin tube crop top. It's little loose for me. I bought this small size, but I think stitching it a little bit from side would make it perfect. Otherwise, the fabric is good. You can wear this with tights or even pair it with a blazer. This is such a cool crop top. The fabric and fitting of this crop top is just amazing. It is very comfortable and soft. You can pair this with tights or joggers for a perfect look. There are double straps in this top which makes it look more cool. This is my favorite top from Shein. How cute is this? I really like the color, flow and the design of this top. The fabric is really nice and it is worth buying. You have to wear this and tie a perfect knot in the front. You can wear a silicone inner with this, though I would suggest you to wear a tube one only. If you want to go on a date and want to keep your look minimal yet eye-catching, you can wear this top with a skirt or jeans and high heels and you will be good to go. I also bought this white little crop top. I really love the design and the fabric is also good, but the only thing is that it is little narrow on the other side, so you have to be very careful with what type of inner you are wearing with this. This one shoulder crop top is just perfect. The fabric is stretchable and it is true to size. One shoulder outfit gives a very classy look. You can pair this with joggers for a day out and with a skirt for night out. So again, it's a smart buy. I fell in love with this skirt the moment I saw it. I really love the skirt and the flare in it. It is perfect for summers. There are a few buttons in the skirt which is making it more beautiful. The fabric is really nice and it flows really well. You can pair it with a crop top for a perfect brunch look, so this one is again worth buying. Then I bought this set of my size only, but sadly the pant was really small for me. So if you buy sets, make sure you check the size guide before adding the outfit in your cart. Pant is of no use for me, so I use this top sometimes to pair with my jeans or tights. The fabric of this outfit is average. I really love this bright green denim jacket. The best part is you can wear this in any season. The material is really nice. Pairing it with tights or joggers will give you a very cool look. So again, it's worth buying.